Here I am again, ladies and gents. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. This time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track out of a 66T Bird. It's now an AM FM 8-track with Bluetooth and a USB feature, and also my little master input-output box. This has your all your 4-channel preamp outputs, a subwoofer output, and this will be your aux input right here. All in one handy, easy-to-reach package. So let's go ahead and turn it on and make sure everything works before you send her back. Now, this customer has requested the use of his original connectors, which only has 2 speaker outputs, and you don't get the big increase in output power using the original connectors on this radio. So just so you know that, I've got it set to AM to the one strong station I get in my area. Let's go ahead and turn her on.
Mobile hotspot for just $55
okay, let's check
a month. And get
check
a 5G
our speakers.
Samsung Galaxy
Balance
for
left.
free. That's right. Unlimited
Balance
everything
right.
at a fraction of the price of
Left.
Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile.
Right.
All on America's most
Okay,
dependable
I'm gonna
5G
center
network.
'em.
Switch to Pure Talk.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Let's make sure the USB reader plays my radio commercial, which is stored on a stick.
Unlimited talk, text, and unlimited.
Okay, takes care of that. Alrighty, let's go to FM, which we do on this model by turning it off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. We'll just run down the dial, make sure we pick up some FM stations.
La parte de reconocer.
It's Providence. Now the question.
Your phone, eh? I'm Ramos.
776-1031.
Putting your air later on. But that's a
Little pricey.
balance of nature. Call 1-800-246
Appreciation Memorial Day.
lemongrass and peppermint.
The click away to. Or newlittledealer.com.
5G to help keep me connected to all the
Get a lot of that for CBM.
21st, 9 to 5.
Chavo, ya sabe quién es.
Okay, those are all FM stations. Let's try the 8-track.
So I wished for you with all my might.
Okay, end of a song there. Alrighty, pull a tape. Radio comes back. All right, let's test the dial light. You can see it flashing on and off when I press and release a button. So everything is cool. She's ready to go back, and I'm probably ready to fix a little bit of a plumbing emergency I've got. I actually have the water to my house shut off at the moment because I had to replace my main shut-off valve. So today I get to be an electronic technician and a plumber. So to reach me for service, not for plumbing service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because the work order has all my options and prices, including options for turnaround time, and it's required to fill out a work order to include with the radio anyway. So please make that the first step towards finding out my prices and options and turn times, and then once you have a work order in your hand, I'm happy to talk to you about anything else. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and this comes from Warren in Algre, Michigan. I'll assume that's the correct pronunciation, Augres. I'm going to take a wild guess and say that's Algre, Michigan. And so thank you, Warren, for your business from halfway across the country, and we will see you guys next time.